Are you playing a pretty song? What do you think about that music? You like to dance? You gonna play a song and dance for Mommy? You making pretty music? What are you doing? Can you play a pretty song? Goodness. Go play a pretty song and dance for me. Please? Hi. Hi. Thank you. That was beautiful. Say yay. Yay. All right. Thank you.